This is Kilo, and today I wanted to just address some of the messages that I've been receiving in my email. I have made some videos on impressioning keys, and some of you have asked if there's an easier method you might be struggling with learning to impression. So, some of you guys watched my video on how to impression along with your code machine or your punch machine. Some of you have watched, with the Lishi handheld key cutter, and many of you have asked, is there a way to do it if I don't have a machine or if I only have a duplicator? So I went ahead and made a set of space and depth keys based on, impressioning those, cam locks and mailbox locks and stuff like that. So I went ahead and just made a set of 5 space and depth keys for those of you who do have a duplicator. And I also, for those of you guys who do not have a duplicator with you guys, I also am going to sell sets of 5 of these keys here that all have the first cut already cut for you. That way, if you are using a handheld Lishi cutter, you will be able to go ahead and impression. You won't have to waste time sanding down the top of your key or marking them. You'll already know where the cuts are, and you'll know the depths, you'll know the spacing. Well, not the depths, but you'll know the spacing at least. So it'll give you a good idea of where you're at. And I will sell these in sets of 5 as well. They'll all be, it'll be 5 keys cut, all with 1 cuts. That way you guys will have a better, understanding, and you'll be able to kind of skate around that learning curve a little bit. So for those of you who use the handheld Lishi tool, you might, have some luck with these. For those of you who have a duplicator, I will be selling sets of 5 for those of you who are practicing impressioning. So these will both be available on our Etsy shop. I will leave a link in the description below to our shop. And also on that note, I did ship out 4 packages today. So the 4 who ordered Friday or anywhere between Friday and today, every package went out this morning. So those of you who are still ordering, I am currently making more sets, and they will be going up pretty soon. I'm also adding more space and depth sets pretty soon. Just wanted to share this with you guys because I recently, just about 5 minutes ago, got another email asking for some help with impressioning. So I decided to try my best to help you guys, and I made these 2 sets. You'll get 5, space and depth keys cut 1 through 5, and you will get 5 in this set. You'll get 5 all cut with 1 cuts, just to help you guys out with that handheld tool. That way you don't have to guess, is that a mark? Am I in the right spot? Any of that. So it really helps with the learning curve. And I will also add some more setup keys as well, like these. That way, I might end up making sets of quick set that are all 1 cuts and schlegs. That way you guys can practice more and more impressioning if you'd like. If you guys want to see more sets like that, just let me know and I will make those. I don't know if there's a big want for impressioning pin tumbler keys, but if you guys want to challenge yourself, let me know and I will make those sets, and I will make them all sets of 5. That way you'll have a good amount of practice there. So just wanted to share that with you guys. I wanted to respond to the emails. Tomorrow, FedEx said that they should be delivering our package for the giveaway. So once we get that, I will be sharing with you guys what the prize will be. All you guys got to do to enter that giveaway is subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, and just leave a comment below. I'm going to go through all of the comments and the usernames, and I am going to put them all in a mystery box, and we will decide who wins the Friday after we hit 300 subscribers. So again, thank you guys for following and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for all the views and the likes, the questions that are coming in, the feedback. Appreciate it all. I'm trying to do my best to help you guys as much as I can. I wanted to share this with you, as this, I believe, is a good way to teach and learn impressioning. So it definitely at least gives you a good starting point, and it's a good guide. So Thank you guys again. Hope you're staying safe. Have a good day, and good luck on your projects, and good luck on your impressioning.